Alright, ready to see something hilarious? When your cat loves a cat toy more than its own toys. Get the kitty. Get the mouse. It's a cat toy. You love your kitty toys, innit? Come on. Yeah. Don't none of you say this is not good. This is just cute. Give me it. That's it. Come on. That's it. No. That's it. I got it. Okay. Now. Come on. Now watch this. He will play with his own toys. But then, if we get the cat to play with the toy, she'll run away at 30,000 miles an hour. Get the kitty toy. Come on. This dog loves this toy more than the cats. I swear to God. The cat's scared of it? Is that what you said? That is true. She is very much scared of it. This is the glory days. The days of the gloriness. Hold on. Go. Run. Run for your life, mouse. You little turd. Yeah. Run. Give me. Got it. So yeah, this is just what his daily routine is. He's gotta get the mouse. Here, I'll give it to you. If he can catch it. Oh no, he got it. Well, that's gonna be this video. Okay. Bye. Have a good day. And live life happily. I don't know. Just be happy. Because, you know, life's gotta be happy. Putting the camera's upside down. There we go. And this face wants you to be happy.